Hi friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows 11 update not installing error code KB5070311. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all you have to go services. Then search here Windows update. You can see here Windows update. Right click on this, click on properties, select here automatic on startup type, then click on start, click on apply and OK. After doing this, close this window, go to the Windows settings, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshoot. In this you can see here Windows update, click on run. It will take some time, wait for completion. After completion, close this window. Then go to the command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. In this you type two commands. Both commands will be available on my video description. Copy and paste. Copy first command. Then paste here. Then hit enter. It will take some time, wait for 100%. After 100%, copy and paste second command, then hit enter. After doing this, close this window. Then last and final method, open your Chrome, then search here download Windows 11. Select here first option. Here little bit scroll down. Here you select second option. Click on download now. After downloading, once you restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. That's it guys. So in this you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.